Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up mini meatloaves, but first I did hit the 50,000 subscribers, and God almighty do I thank you guys so much. But I tell you what, I'm more excited about the giveaway. Curtis, you want to do the drum roll? Now first, wait a minute. Uh, the person that won this has 1 week to notify me. And if they don't notify me, we're going to go again the following Sunday when I upload my videos, and we will be announcing another winner. So this person, I hope you contact me. You will be contacting me through my email, which is, it's in this description area. You'll find my email, or just drop a comment. Let me know, hey, I'm here, and just contact me. That way we can get this beautiful cookware set. I may end up keeping it myself. I really like that. But here we go. Drum roll, Curtis. And the winner is Lynn Merritt. Congratulations. Applause, Curtis. I'm so excited. I sure hope you are watching, Lynn, and you contact me. You have 1 week from today, Miss Lynn. So congratulations, my friend. I'm so happy for you. I hope you contact me and enjoy this beautiful cookware set. Meanwhile, let's jump into the mini meatloaves. Okay, here I have my my ground meat here, ground chuck, whatever you want to use. I'm using 80/20. This is just something sick. What did I say? Sick. I wanted to say quick and simple. And I have my sautéed veggies here, which is bell pepper and some onion. They don't cook as long, and the little personal one just makes you feel more special. You get your own little meatloaf. And I have a couple of beaten eggs here, and everything you need is in the description. My Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire. You always hear everybody say that. Worcestershire. I guess you guys know what I'm talking about. Spices here. This is just a traditional little meatloaves, like how my mama used to make them. She didn't make many. I don't really think she ever made any mini, but she always made her meatloaf. Big old loaves. There was 8 of us girls, and then Mom and Daddy, that's 10 people they were feeding, so she used a lot of that hamburger meat. And my breadcrumbs. I usually use Ritz crackers for this, but I didn't have any, so I'm just using some Panko. And you don't want to go stir crazy with this just until everything is mixed in here, okay? Because if you overwork it, you're going to have a tough meatloaf, and we don't want that. So I'm just going to get this mixed in, just kind of forking it down in there instead of squeezing it. There's my oven. It's ready. So I'm just going to get this worked in. Okay, just get you a regular standard muffin pan here. I have my mama's old one. I've had it for a long time. It's non-stick. If you have a non-stick one, that would be my choice for you to use. That way you know they're not going to be sticking. But just grab you a big old ball of it and put them in there. You want them, you don't want to smash, but you do want a little mound on top. I just roll them into like a big meatball, and I did lightly oil these. You probably get between maybe 15 to 16 of them. That just depends on how big you have them, but you do want to pat them down here. And these are going to shrink. So I'm going to continue this. Got my oven preheated to 350. See, I just made like a ball. Just drop it in there. And kind of oil the outside of it. I know the hamburger has plenty of oil in it, or grease, but we don't want these to start out sticking. So I'm going to continue on, guys. Okay, my friends, I have these already. I actually only got 12 because I made them a little bit bigger. But you can, get your second muffin tin and or bake the ones you have and reuse the same pan you have. But like I said, you can get more than 12. It's just I made mine a little bit bigger. Oven is ready. These are going to go in for about maybe 20-25 minutes. We'll bring them out, rinse or drain off any moisture that's coming off of them, and we'll get them sauced up, and then back in the oven they'll go again, but we'll be back. Okay, I baked mine up for 25 minutes. Now, if you make them smaller and get extras, go a little bit less, maybe 5 minutes less, because we don't want to over bake them, but we want to make sure they're done too. But me using the 2 pounds, if that's what you decide to do, 25 minutes. And now we're going to go in with our sauce on top. And I did drain some of the fat off of these and place them on a cookie sheet if you do make them tall like this, because you don't want that grease going all over your oven. But I'm going to get them sauced up. I'm going to put them back in the oven for maybe 15-20 minutes. And we will be back, guys. Oh, I don't know if I told y'all, I did saute my onions and my bell pepper and a couple tablespoons of oil. But okay, we'll finish saucing these up. Ta-da! There's the little baby mini meatloaves. We're having it with some mashed potatoes and some corn. That's the best thing to serve it with, is mashed potatoes. Good mashed potatoes. But there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And Miss Lynn, what's her last name? Merritt? Lynn Merritt. Is that her name? Lynn Merritt. You are the winner of the cookware set. So please, please contact me if you're watching this, which I'm sure you will if you're watching it, right? But let's taste these little meatloaves. I can't wait. Mmm. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, with some potatoes. Mm-hmm. But there they are, guys. Oh, I baked these 20 more minutes when I put the sauce on them. But I don't want to sit here with a mouthful of meat talking. But you guys stay blessed. Enjoy. And everybody keep watching, because if Lynn don't win within the week, we're going to call out another name. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Love y'all. Bye-bye.